Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. I'm so happy I get to share this with you. I've been wanting to share this with you. It's called armadillo eggs. What? What's armadillo eggs? Stay tuned and find out.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Armadillo eggs, which I've been seeing all over Instagram, and the guy that's been posting crazy about it is Meat Church. Check him out. Meat Church, anything barbecue, forget about it. Anything with meat, I'll take care of you. Alright, armadillo eggs, which is a jalapeno pepper, gutted out, with seasoned cream cheese, cheddar cheese stuffed inside, with Italian sausage, or you can use breakfast sausage. Some people use chorizo, whatever you want on the outside. If you don't eat pork, you can put some beef, season the beef up, wrap it with some beef bacon or turkey bacon. We're going to smoke it on the smoker for 2 hours. Halfway through, we're going to sauce it, okay? If you don't have a smoker, heat it up in the oven. You could probably cook it in the oven on like 300, 350, you know what I mean? But I'm going to go low and slow at 250 on the smoker using hickory pellets. Start off by chopping the tops of your jalapenos off. After you cut the tops off your jalapenos, you want to gut them out. If you want to use a knife to cut it around, you can, a butter knife, whatever you got. So I'm going to use this apple core. I'm going to go down in there, pull it around. If it doesn't come out, that's why I got this here. I'm just going, it's already, just want to cut it, boom, and get all the seeds out in the vein. See that? You want to get a nice little thin knife. If you're not happy with the apple core, or you're not crazy about it, go down, just turn it. There we go. All the way down. Boom, see that? Now that worked. That one worked. Your peppers are gutted, cleaned out, boom, to the side, right? Now is to make the filling. You can use cream cheese, you could just use cream cheese, you could just use cheddar. I mean, possibilities are endless. But today, we're going to use cream cheese and cheddar. So, you know, you got this little whipped, so we're going to just scoop some out. Boom, right there, right? Make sure you got it good enough. If you got a block of that Philadelphia, right? 1 block should do it, right? So now, we got our cream cheese. If you got a special favorite rub that you like, you just throw your rub on there. You know me, I don't like that pre-made stuff, so I like to use my own. I got here some green chili, dried, and I got some chipotle for that heat, smoke, you know what I'm saying? Gonna put a good bit of that in there, right? Some garlic powder, you gotta have garlic powder, boom. Some onion powder. I recommend use a regular rub. If that's quick, that's easy, right? But me, you know me, so I got a little cumin in there. Got to do that cumin, you know what I mean? But a little goes a long way with cumin, remember that. A little goes a long way. A little bit of white pepper. Use a pre-made rub, quick and easy. But anyway, you want to make something else your own, you make it your own like I do. You know, but you know what you do. If you know what you do what you do. If you don't know what you do, get the pre-made. So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste, boom, and then we're just going to mix her up, all right? Just mix that in. You want those seasonings really well incorporated with that. That's why I like the whip. The whip is more soft, you know what I mean, for this kind of thing. Make sure you get it off the spoon. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. Boom. That's what I'm saying. Got a little bite, a little smoke, boom, boom, boom. Now, if you want more of a bite, you can put some cayenne pepper, whatever you want to do. Then we're just going to grate in our cheese. Grate in your cheese, you know, do a little bit, mix, a little bit, mix. You want it a lot, you put a lot, you know what I mean? But, boom. Woo, that's got a nice little bite, that cream cheese. It's starting to catch up on you, huh? Look at that. You see that? See what that looks like there, huh? Very nice. Let's mix that up now. I'm probably going to put more cheddar in there because everything's better with cheddar. I love saying it. You know what these probably go good with? Chili. If you haven't seen my chili video, check out my chili video. Cream cheese, cheddar cheese, let's taste. Got the cheddar in there. Oh, it's good. Boom, man. Italian sausage. That's what's next here. You know, it ain't my homemade sausage with the Zarlingo Italian seasoning, so I'm gonna kick it up a notch. I would say maybe a pound, 2 pounds per 6 jalapenos. You know, depending. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. See that? That's just the Zarlingo love, guys. Check them out. It's the all-purpose Italian seasoning. I can't make something with sausage or anything Italian without putting this in. I'm telling you, it's a life changer. It's a game changer, guys. Zarlingo's Italian seasoning. Check the link down in my script. Alright, guys. So now comes building time. Time to build the eggs. Okay. You got your cream cheese. You got your Italian sausage. You got your bacon, right? Boom. So get a scoop. You want to push it down in there good, okay? You can push that down in there. Okay? Now what I'm saying is you want to push it down there nice and good. You're going to use the end of the spoon because when you bite into it, you want that cheese all the way through, you know? That jalapeno, man. Forget about it. So we're going to just keep pushing that in. We think it's filled up. We're going to make sure it's not, okay? We're going to make sure there's no empty wasted space in here. Look at this. Oh, we got them all stuffed, right? Here comes the egg part. It makes them look like eggs, okay? Take some Italian sausage, right? Flatten it out in your hand. Now around the pepper. Boom, look at that. See that? Boom, like a nice egg, right? Oh, cover it up. Pinch the bottom, right? And get a little on top. Boom, look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is good. Make sure you cover that up really good. If there's any creases, you know what I mean? Make it. You want to put a little more on the bottom. Because the pepper's coming through. Cover it really nice. Yeah, see? That looks like an egg, right? Alright. Now, bacon. You might need 2 pieces of bacon because I'm going to use 2 pieces of bacon. You want to get the ends, right? And make sure you get the ends. So one goes this way. Probably need 3 pieces, so don't worry about it. Right? I'm going to get this one. Wrap it up really nice and pull some tension on it, right? Pull some tension on it. Boom. Yeah. Now use as many pieces as you want, you know. I got 2 pounds of bacon just in case. Because, oh my God. I want bacon, crazy bacon. Oh yeah. Look at that. 3 pieces of bacon, bada boom, bada bang. That's 1 egg there. That's a healthy egg, huh? Let me tell you. Guys, let me tell you, you see my sheriff fight story? You heard the story on my wing off, guys. Check it out. It's in final production right now. It's probably getting ready to release. If you're a Rocky fan, if you like motivational things, this is the story that you need to watch. I'm telling you guys. For this, you can use your favorite barbecue sauce. Me, I'm going simple, I'm going easy, I'm using mine instead of making it. So, I got some bullseye. I'm going to put some bullseye in it. Not too much of the bullseye because I just want a little bit of that, you know, regular barbecue taste, you know? Because this sauce I'm about to put in is a big favorite of mine. I got this in North Carolina a few years ago. I went through it all, and while I was driving home, I was like, yo, wait a minute, ain't that the accent? You know, you never forget good food, good barbecue, you know? So anyway, we stopped off, we got some amazing barbecue, Max Speed Shop, forget about it, good stuff. But anyway, here it goes. South Carolina mustard sauce, barbecue sauce, oh my God, I'm in love with this stuff. So I'm gonna mix it with regular barbecue sauce because I kind of wanna, you know what I'm saying? You know? So I gotta lick it. Gotta lick it. So with that being said, I'm gonna drop a little bit of onion powder, just a little bit of garlic powder, and some white pepper. You know what? I'm gonna do just a tink, a half a pinch salt, and I'm just gonna mix it up. I could drink this stuff, but I'm not, because I'm gonna save it for my armadillo wings. Oh my God, look at these. Take a look at that. Could you see that color? Look at that. Let me show you a little closer. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Wow, huh? Look at these bad boys. They are looking good. 2 hours later, let's see. Let's cut into one. Oh yeah. Let's see what they look like. Let's cut in. I'm gonna finish cutting this. It's a little, didn't cut the bacon all the way through. Wow, huh? Look at that. We're gonna brush some more barbecue sauce on top. I'm telling you guys, this is the bomb diggity, or whatever you wanna call it. I'm telling you, armadillo eggs are where it's at. Look at that smoke ring on that sausage. Look at the cheese with the bacon, with the sauce. I'm telling you guys, forget about it. You're gonna love this. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok. And listen, if you follow me on TikTok, and if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me. And then after you do that, message me on TikTok. First one to message me that wants this chef will get it. Please send me a message on TikTok. And if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me first, then send me a message. And if you already follow me on TikTok, send me a message and you will get this. The first one to send me, you know what, that's not fair, not the first one. I'm gonna pick a number. I'm gonna pick the 8th person, okay? The 8th person to message me for this guy gets them and wins them, and I'll ship them out to you. Okay, so message me. Hopefully you'll be the 8th one. Guys, with that being said, check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the Four Fathers to the band Mothers of Rock. Tell you guys, Thursday night, live with Kevin and Johnny E. Well, guys, with that being said, I'm going to tell you. Until next time. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.